Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, a Redmi A1 Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this smartphone. So it's my top, and I'll show you my favorite themes for this smartphone. And on the third place of my top is Niagara Launcher. So I need to clarify one nuance. I'm using several launchers at the same time on my device. I have automatized 3 launchers when I'm at work. Automatically, Niagara Launcher enables. When I am at home, automatically Smart Launcher enables. And when I'm in university, when I'm studying, I am enabling manually. I am enabling Microsoft Launcher. So why? I'll show you how to automatize your life if you have an Android device, if you have Redmi A Plus device. Because if you have an iPhone, you can create different scenes of your life, so work, home, and else, and you will have different home screens and different wallpapers in these launchers. But you can do it in Android devices, in Xiaomi Redmi A1 Plus device too. So I'm using different launchers to do it, and it's really better because you have not only different icons, but you have really different interfaces, and it's inspiring you to be more effectively and to be focused. For example, on work, at work, I'm using this launcher, Niagara Launcher, because you have no any 9 features here. You can set up here you can add to your home screen on your work applications, and in this way you will have here only what you think is helpful for you at work. But if you need any other application, you have really great feature of finding, of searching apps. So it's alphabetical line. So tap your finger of this line and drag it to your desired application. For example, if you want to find Play Store, just drag it to P button, and here you will see the Play Store. Okay, and the second place is Smart Launcher. I'm using this launcher when I am at home, when I'm spending my time with my family, because there are really great moments in my life, and I want to use beautiful launcher and beautiful appearance in these moments. This launcher is minimalistic. There are now 9 icons, colors, or shapes here. So here we have all smoothie. So I don't know how to send my message to you, but as you can see, here we have really our applications. Here we can have several home screens. Here we have news if you want to see, if you want to check news, and here we have really handy group features apps. Great future to group your apps. So here you have different groups, different folders. If you want to find anything, for example, you want to find games, it's here. Your messengers, it's here. Your Telegram, Messenger, Instagram will be here. Settings and utilities are here. And of course you can stop gestures here. It's really helpful. But here you can you can stop gestures, but you have no many gestures here, so it's a disadvantage. And the most disadvantage of this launcher is one that this launcher have premium, have pro version. So you need to pay for it if you want to use premium, if you want to use all features of this launcher. So I think it's really great launcher, but you need to pay for it. On my device, I have paid for it on my phone. So okay, Xiaomi has has freezed. Okay, so of course you need to pay for some features, but you can use it completely for free if you want to have beautiful design, beautiful interface. But here you have really the most beautiful gallery of beautiful wallpapers. You have really the most beautiful wallpapers here. You can't find these wallpapers in the Bing. You can't find anywhere. So there are really greatest wallpapers ever. So I really love it. You have live wallpapers here too, but the gallery of live wallpapers is not too good. You can apply random wallpapers to the home screen. You can enable wallpapers 3D perspective, and it's really great feature. I really love it. So just try. I think you will like this launcher too. Okay, and on the first place is my Microsoft launcher. So I'm a student, and when I need to study, I need a lot of applications and in the same time, and I really don't want to search for any applications in the menu, even using alphabetical line. It's really fastest way to find application, but sometimes I don't want to find anything. I just want to open what I mean. Something I have thoughts in my mind, and I can't translate it to the move. Maybe not to the move, but to the words to find something. For example, I need Microsoft Word right now, and I forgot how this apps, what the name of this app. So in these times, I really need Microsoft Launcher. So first, because here you have the Glance panel. In Glance, you can set up your widgets in the way you want. You can set up your favorite widgets here, and it's really handy because you don't need to swipe in to find your widget, but all your widgets you have here. All widgets you need: calendars, to-dos. So everything you can set up here. You have news here too, but you can disable it by settings. You have a really flexible main menu here. You can hide unused applications, for example, like Xiaomi Service, Xiaomi Weather. So you can hide all applications you don't need at this scene of your life. Okay, so when I need to be really productive and fast in my moves, I am using gestures, and I think that this is the killing feature of this launcher, because using these gestures feature, you can open any application you need using that gesture. So after using this launcher, I don't know, during a week, during a month, you will ask you about how I lived without these features. So how it was possible, because using it, you will really fasten your moves. For example, I don't know why, but for example, by swiping 2 fingers up, I will open a file manager. So in this way, when I want to open apps file manager, I don't need to I don't need to switch between my my home screens. I don't need to open my main menu and find here my file manager. I just need to swipe by 2 fingers up, and that's it. And file manager is opened, and it's really handy. So you can set up your moves, your gestures, to use it fast. And here, of course, you have the favorites panel. In favorites panel you can stop 3 or 4 lines, and you will have all these apps on every screen. So that's it. If you have find this video helpful for you, so just leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.